Social proof is like giving somebody a nudge to take action, but that action could be the difference between getting a sale and not getting a sale. Hey everyone, my name is Ian Cleary from RazerSocial, and we bridge the gap between marketing and technology. And I'd like to thank GetResponse today for allowing me on this channel to talk about one of my favorite topics about social proof and how you can use it within your business. It's very easy for someone to see an offer and not take it. It's also very easy to add some social proof to that offer and generate more sales. Social proof is about people being influenced by the actions of others, and it can be very powerful online. So let's take a look at the different forms of social proof and how you can use it for your sales online. We will use GetResponse's AutoFunnel feature, which allows you to easily set up funnels, and within that we can apply different principles of social proof for each stage of the funnel. AutoFunnel is about being able to set up a funnel easily. So here we've created a funnel for it's a business coach selling online training courses. At the start we have a landing page, which I'm going to show in a second, and we record the unique visitors to the landing page. Now within that landing page there's an opt-in so people can subscribe, so then we can start recording the sign-up rates, and then we connect with our contents by sending emails, so we can create an email sequence. Then we can send them to a sales page where we try and generate sales, and then we connect to a payment page where we collect payment, and of course then we generate money. So just as an example, let's take a look at one of the pages here. When you're setting up a sales page or landing page, what you're using is a template provided by GetResponse. So you just select a particular template like this one, and then you can easily go in and start customizing the template, adding opt-ins. You could add order forms to this. So for example, on the right hand side, you see there's an e-commerce facility. So I could add an order form. I'm more likely to do that to the sales page. But it makes it very easy for setting up your sales funnel. So this is what we're going to use for demonstration purposes as part of the rest of the video. Number one, customer testimonials. When you start placing customer testimonials on your sales pages, that really helps people to buy. For example, within AutoFunnel, I'm looking at an order form here, and you can see on the right hand side here, I have a couple of testimonials. On the left hand side, people are filling out the credit card information, and these testimonials should convince people to make that decision to go ahead and buy. So displaying those customer testimonials in your order form can really help reduce abandonment rates, and that's a real problem on order forms. So make sure to put in those testimonials. A second form of social proof is using something like case studies. So this is taking customer testimonials to a whole new level where you write a detailed case study. You may not include that directly within your sales page within a funnel, but it's useful to make it available to people. So think about how you could use case studies to support your products and services to try and increase the sales. Number three, independent rating. If you get some company of authority that's well known in your industry saying something good about you, including this can make a difference. You often see this on websites, for example. So here we're looking at Bunratty Castle, which is a castle based in Ireland. And we see down here there is a TripAdvisor rating. And the TripAdvisor rating said it's a must-see attraction. So this sort of independent rating can have an impact on your sales funnel. Number four, press mentions. If you get mentions on high authority sites, say for example in the press, it's good to show this on your sales pages. So in this example, you can see this is for a course we're selling, and you can see as featured on Inc., VentureBeat, New York Times. That gives some external validation from some companies of authority, which will help convince your potential customers to buy. Number five, customer satisfaction rating. So if you have a review, either independent or based on your own existing customers, it's useful to include that information on your sales page. On this particular sales page, you can see that there's a 5-star rating. So it was rated 5 stars by the Association of Entrepreneurs. This could have a significant impact on convincing potential customers. So there you go. I hope you see the benefit of adding social proof to your sales funnel. It will help you generate more sales. Now, if you are a GetResponse customer, you should be using AutoFunnel and start adding in social proof to your funnel. You can even do split testing of different pages within AutoFunnel. If you're not a GetResponse customer, I think it's time to sign up and start using AutoFunnel and generate more sales for your business today. And you know we love to get feedback, so make sure to leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.